Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read Flower Queen's Island. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily May. She lived on a secret island called Maluai, which was located near Australia. Lily May loved flowers more than anything else in the world. She spent all her days exploring the island, looking for new and beautiful types of flowers. Lily May's favorite spot of the island was a secret garden that only she knew about. The garden was filled with all sorts of colorful flowers, and Lily May would often spend hours there, admiring their beauty and taking care of them. One day, while Lily May was out exploring, she stumbled upon a new type of flower that she had never seen before. It was a beautiful pink and purple color, and it had a sweet scent that reminded Lily May of honey. She was so excited about her discovery that she ran back to her secret garden to plant it. As the weeks went by, the new flower began to grow and bloom. Lily May watched it carefully, and soon it was the most beautiful flower in her garden. She named it the honey flower, and it became her new favorite. Years went by. Lily May spent all her time on the island, taking care of her flowers and exploring for new ones. She loved her life on the island and was happy to be surrounded by such beauty. But as she grew older, Lily May started to realize that she wanted to share her love of flowers with others. So she made a decision to invite visitors to the island to show them her secret garden and the beautiful flowers that grew there. Lily May began to guide tours of her garden, showing off the different flowers and the unique characteristics of each one. She also taught visitors about the importance of preserving nature and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Her tours became popular, and people from all over the world began to come to Malua to see her garden. As Lily May's garden grew, so did her reputation as a gardener and a nature enthusiast. She became known as the Flower Queen of Malua, and her garden became a destination for botanists and nature lovers alike. Lily May spent the rest of her days showing people from all over the world the beauty of her island and its flowers, spreading joy and happiness everywhere she went. Despite the challenges she faced, Lily May was determined to keep her garden going, always finding new and innovative ways to improve and expand it. Her hard work paid off, and her garden remains one of the most beautiful and biodiverse places in the world. It was a constant reminder of Lily May's passion and dedication to the natural world and her love for flowers. As Lily May grew older, she began to worry about what would happen to her garden once she was no longer able to take care of it. She knew that it was not only a place of beauty, but also a vital ecosystem for the many plants and animals that called the island home. Lily May decided that she needed to find a way to preserve her garden for future generations. She began to reach out to botanists and conservationists, sharing her knowledge and inviting them to study her garden. Together, they discovered that many of the plants in Lily May's garden were unique to the island and were at risk of extinction if the garden was not protected. Lily May and her team worked tirelessly to document and preserve the different species of plants and insects that lived in the garden. Thanks to Lily May's efforts, her garden was declared a protected area and was eventually turned into a nature reserve. This ensured that it would remain a sanctuary for the plants and animals that called the island home for generations to come. Even after her passing, Lily May's legacy lived on through her beloved garden. Visitors from all over the world continue to come to Maluai to see the stunning array of flowers and learn about conservation from the expert guides who continue Lily May's work. Lily May's name also remembered with honor as the named one of the rarest flower they found on island, Lilium May, in her honor. She may have passed away, but her memory and the beauty of her garden will live on forever. Her love and passion for the natural world will always be an inspiration to those who visit Maluai and learn of her story. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.